steering column installation in a 1980 Camaro. Captive nuts on the firewall were stripped, so the goal here is to convert this, and this, the 4 steering column mounting points, to metric. 7/32 drill bit. I'm coming in with a metric tap, and I'm going to be driving it with a 7/32 socket. Now let's just make sure all of our threads are going to work. That one's going to work. That one's going to work. That one's going to work. Metric conversion complete. This is the rubber gasket that we are going to use between the steering column and the firewall. Part number is 18-003P by Rubber the Right Way. This is just trial fitting the gasket. It can barely be stretched over everything, but it can be stretched over everything. And it's actually a really nice fit for the steering column. Easy, don't rip it now. It'll be very late in the game. Yeah. Have a setback.
Yep.
Okay, does it line up with all the holes and everything?
It does.
Excellent. Okay, Dylan's bringing his steering column in. He's working it through the hole. And that's the end of my light battery. Okay. Yeah, I do not know if there's anything particular we're looking for in alignment. In fact, I don't even know what's considered top and bottom. But you can bring it in. I mean, or I guess the shaft can extend to it. Okay, so I can put a bolt through it now. Do it. Dylan's looking for some support. If it was me, I would definitely be using a washer on that.
Okay, there we go. Leave that there. Okay, let's do the other side real quick. Okay, that's about the extent of my strength.
The wiring connector was attached later. Comments and questions are always welcome, and they help other viewers. Thank you for watching.